Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Carly from Beach Life Studio, and today I'm going to let Pinterest decide what I draw. So I thought I'd take you along. This video is only going to be the sketch basically, and then I'm going to do another video on like completing it with colour. So I thought I'd do it in two parts because I thought it might be quite long otherwise. So hopefully you'll enjoy. Follow me along for this little draw with me. So let's just open up Pinterest first, and what I'm going to do is just going to search different elements for designing a character and see whatever pops up first is going to be the thing that I draw. So let's just go to search, and first I'm going to find a pose to use. So I'm just going to type in pose. First photo that's popping up is something that I've actually just recently searched or used. So I'm going to ignore the first one. I'm going to go to the second one. I've not seen this one before. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to create a new board and create. Okay, let's find some hair. See, again, this was what I just used in my Plan With Me vision board from that video. So I'm going to just go to the second photo and use this hair, which I love. So I'm going to save that. So I'm going to now choose an outfit. Again, this one I just recently searched for. So I'm going to save this one into Pinterest drawing. What else? Let's type in emotion and see what comes up. Okay, I like that. That's quite cute. Let's type in accessories. So we're going to give her a headband with glasses. This one and the one before I've not actually seen, so we're just saving those ones. And then the last thing I will put in color palette. Let's see what color palette I'm going to use. This one. Okay, this is going to be interesting. This is actually a fun challenge. I don't think I'm missing anything out. I think I've got enough to go by. So I'm going to open up Pinterest. I'm going to make a new canvas. So my canvas is going to be 3000 by 3000 pixels. So this is just a square canvas. So I'm going to slide up from the bottom with my finger until you see this bar. And then I'm going to click on Pinterest, hold it, whoops, click it, hold it and drag it to the side. And now you can like adjust the side bit. So I'm going to use my own sketch brush from a recent folder. I've just started making some custom brushes. But I think I'm going to use the one called Butter, because it has a really nice soft texture, so I really like that. And I'm keeping it up quite large just so I'm going to get the base guide of the sketch down. So what was the pose? Right, this was the pose that we're going to do. This is quite a complicated pose actually. I might even not add the sunglasses because I like this expression and you won't be able to see the eyes with the expression as much, so I think I might just do the headband. All right, so let's go. So I'm going to draw a circle for the head, and then I'm just going to put in the guidelines. And by the way, I do have a free face template guide that you can actually download. I'll leave a link below if you want to use it. It might help you in getting started with drawing faces. It is just a front facing one, by the way, so but hopefully it helps you anyway. I'm just kind of looking at the reference picture and just sort of copying what I see at the moment and keeping it in very simple lines. Sort of like seeing how the elbow is in line with her mouth, kind of like this. So I'm making sure that the elbow finishes here, bringing the arm up, and then she's got her hand kind of around her face like that. And on where her shoulders are, they start around where her cheeks are. So I am bringing them up a little bit higher. And I might still adjust things because I think at the sketch stage you always end up adjusting a lot. But this elbow comes down slightly below this one, so I am bringing this arm down. Maybe the elbow is about here. Her knee is like just literally, hold on, I think that needs to come out a bit more. Her knee comes up like here, and then her leg will come down following this arm like this, and then comes just a little bit longer, and then we got the shoe like that kind of thing. And then I'm also just doing a line now for her leg here, which her elbow is here, so her leg comes just on this part of the arm, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's just like, I think the more that you draw from references, the more your mind starts to get better at judging where things fall and everything. So I have had a lot of practice. In the past I used to draw Disney characters a lot, and I used to just study on how the lines were and where things were placed, and I used to draw like celebrities and things, so I think that just really helped. I might still adjust things, but I think that looks pretty good. Let me just flip the canvas. So I just come up to actions, this little wrench tool, and then clip on canvas, I flip the canvas horizontal just to double check. I'm gonna take this layer's opacity down, which is just here. You can bring this line down just so I can still see it, but so that I'm gonna make a new layer on top now and do like a more refined sketch. So on uniform, I'm just going to bring this a little bit bigger. So now I'm going to start putting in the details a little bit more, but I'm still not properly refining the sketch. So I'm still keeping the brush at the same size. I think she looks a little bit weird, but I'm just gonna trust the process, I guess, and stick with it, see how it goes. I'm not sure what it actually is. Maybe it's just me over exaggerating. Anyway, I'm just gonna go back and just double check now for like the outfit. I've actually just don't realize I just drew the wrong outfit actually. But so her hair is like this wavy hair, so this isn't wavy enough for me. I need to make this. And then obviously she has the headband as well, doesn't she, from this one. So I'm going to give her a little earring. Oh, and then I totally forgot we had this expression, didn't we? So let's just use the eraser quickly. All right, so her nose is here. Not going to make it super perfect yet, but we'll just get the gist of it down, you know, because this is a very, very rough sketch still. And then this mouth is pretty hard, so I'm just gonna look at the middle line and just kind of put that in place first. Never really drawn a mouth like this before, actually. This is one of my first times. Okay, we're just gonna leave it at that because this isn't finalized at the moment. It's just the outfit I've got to place now. So I'm gonna make a new layer and then I can erase like the underneath outfit as I've done it. So I'm just gonna take this layer down a bit. I almost feel overwhelmed just trying to draw this in. Let me just make the brush bigger again so that it's not, because it's not gonna be super detailed quite yet, I think I was meant to say. Where my pen just keeps playing up these days, you know, it doesn't connect to the iPad properly. And then recently it started working again a little bit and I thought it was all right, and now it's gone back to this again. Oh my God. So I'm just using the liquify tool to adjust the sketch a little bit now, just to make it look a little bit better. If I want to like pull the hair slightly over, make it a little bit bigger, this is the best time to do this. Like, play around with the sketch as much as you want. Plus, I'm gonna like go away from this, come back to it later and see it with fresh eyes, and I'll probably notice something wrong with it. But this is pretty much what I've come up with from the references that I had. But join me in my next video where we will do the whole color process. So I'm really excited to finish her. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when the next one is out, or join my email list, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.